Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Meera, your study abroad advisor. Today I'm here in Georgia and we'll be exploring the entire country. How is the transportation system here in Georgia, how students can travel from their accommodation to the university, and from where they actually do their basic shopping. How do they open their bank account and which SIM card is best for them to buy. So if you're someone who's planning to take admission here in Georgia, then make sure you watch this video till the end because this video will be very handy when you're actually traveling to Georgia. So follow me. There's one interesting fact about Georgia. They all love street arts, so they actually express all their feelings on the street arts. Here you can see that Georgians are also like crazy lovers of football. So he is one of the famous players of Georgia. I guess his name is Mamardashvili, if I'm not wrong. And so yeah, that's it. I mean, they have painted his photo here in on the walls. So they have amazing street arts. If possible, I'll cover most of the street arts in my video today. All of you should notice that if you are carrying dollars, you don't have to worry from where will you get it. It's for the currency exchange. See, here is one, and just walk few steps and we have one more right in front of you. And not just that, when you come out of the airport, from there also you can get your currency exchange. Obviously, there will be rates different in every different stores. So whichever is giving you the best rate, you can get your currency exchange from there. Now I'll be taking you to the stores from where we buy the SIM cards. There are two major players here in Georgia. One is Maxi and the other is Selfie. So I'll just show you the stores from where we get the students' SIM cards. Hello. So this is the Selfie stores. Students who are coming to Georgia, they'll always go for Selfie because Selfie has a very good package that they offer to all the users, and they have a very good network coverage also. Not just that, anyone who has a Selfie SIM, they'll be unlimited calls, free calls. It's like Jio to Jio. And moreover, all the students will mainly prefer the Selfie SIM card itself. Whenever students come to Georgia, on the bank account, there are two types of bank here. One is TBC and the other is Bank of Georgia. We open every student's account in Bank of Georgia. Reason, once they open the Bank of Georgia account, they get this card which is called the student card. So this card is used for their transportation, for their money withdrawal, for their any online transaction and everything. Now, when a student is traveling in public transport, the cost will be very less from Bank of Georgia card. But if they get a card from TBC, then their cost will be like a little higher compared to Bank of Georgia, which is why we get everyone Bank of Georgia. I have a TBC card, so when I use this card to tap and to use the public transport, I'll get the amount deducted every tap. However, for the students who are traveling, once they tap, the amount will be deducted only once, which is around 0.2 lari, and Indian rupees, if you see, it's around 6 to 7 Indian rupees. And this one tap will be valid for their next 1 hour. To make it very simplified, go to a bus, tap your card, you will see that 0.2 lari will be deducted, and for next 1 hour, you can actually travel anywhere you want in the city. And no matter within that 1 hour, if you're tapping this again, money will not be deducted. So that is the advantage of Bank of Georgia student card. Whenever you're traveling in a bus, the best thing is you have this board here. Now whichever bus you want to take, all the details are mentioned here. We will be taking the bus number 301, which is like right here in front of you. So you can check like which bus will come to your destination in what time. Now I'll show you how the card system works here, both TBC and Bank of Georgia. So now we'll be entering the metro. I'll use my TBC card. So every time I tap a card, 1 gel is deducted from me. And students get the benefit of 0.2 gel. Metros that we see in Georgia are all underground, and these metros were built during the Soviet time. So you'll see that the metros are not very new. The trains are not very new because it's very old. Well, we do have boats in India as well, but here is something different. So if you want to go to like Barkateli or let's say some place named Samgori, we will have to take this metro. and the names are mentioned here. Now we have to go to Marjanashwari, so I'll be taking this metro, and my stop from here I'm in Liberty, and I'm just 2 stops away from Marjaneshwari. Generally, the metros they come in every 1 or 2 minutes, but towards the end of the day, during the busy and peak hours, it takes almost 5 to 6 minutes for a metro to arrive. So students who are staying a little away from the university, they will have to come to Marjaneshwari bus stop, and from here they'll have to catch this bus. This bus straight away takes all the students to Caucasus University, and it drops you right in front of the university. What are you waiting for? If you are waiting for more such information like this, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated on every new video that we